If you're tired of mindlessly doom scrolling and want to do something that actually feels good, here are some creative ideas you can try. Let's get into it. First up, we have journaling. And I'm not just talking about the diary entries, I mean making a space that's completely yours. I love journaling because you can write about your day, sketch things you saw, or even write down quotes you love. And the best part is that years from now you'll have a book that's just full of things you love. It's like a time capsule you make for yourself. And there's something so calm about putting pen to paper rather than staring at a screen all day. I highly recommend everyone start journaling because you just learn so much about yourself and it's so fulfilling to have a journal. So here are some other pages from my journal. You can take inspiration and recreate any of these pages in your journal. So the next idea is henna. I know henna can be a bit difficult, so I went on Pinterest and found some really easy designs that you can recreate. If you've never heard of henna, it's basically temporary body art that fades in a week or two. It's creative and relaxing. You get to walk around with flowers on your hands. It's really creative. A lot of the times I like to draw rings around my fingers with henna because it looks like I'm actually wearing jewelry even though I'm not. And the henna process is very meditative because you have to focus on the style, move slowly and stay present. So this is how mine turned out. The henna I used was really watery and it also had a really wide opening, so it was a bit hard to control, but I'm overall happy with how it turned out. It doesn't have to be perfect, it's just fun to create something on your hand. Let me know if you'll try this out. The next idea is to write a letter. You don't have to send this to anyone. You can write a letter to your future self, your younger self. You can even write it to a friend or just write it to let out your thoughts and clear your mind. There's something about writing by hand that makes your words feel so much more intentional. You're not typing, deleting, or overthinking, you're just saying what you need to say. I like writing letters to my younger self, kind of like advice I wish I'd heard then. And even now when I'm going through a hard time, I read those letters and it helps me get back on my feet and feel more inspired and motivated. I like to keep my letters a bit general sometimes, so it's not just for me, it's for anyone reading any one of the letters. I will also be making a cute envelope for this so that I can keep it safe in my journal. I was out of glue, so I had to use masking tape, and I also decided to decorate this. You can do it however you want, but I chose to use dark blue and red to draw hearts, swirls, and make it really pretty. You can stick the envelope in your journal to make sure that it's safe and doesn't get lost or slip out. next thing is a DIY bookmark. These are super easy and customizable. You can literally make them in any design you want. All you need is some thick paper. I used modeling board, and you can literally design it however you want. You can draw on it, collage it, add stickers, write a quote, even use watercolor. And then you'll actually have something functional you made yourself. Every time you open your book, you'll see it. These are all simple projects, but that's the whole point. Doing something with your hands and making things that didn't exist before, instead of scrolling past things others made. So here you go, 4 things you can create instead of doomscrolling. The next time you find yourself about to doomscroll, pick one of these projects and try it out and see how it feels. Let me know in the comments which one you're going to try first, and if you have any other ideas I could add to the list. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!